55 looks at another piecewise function, and this piecewise function goes from -4 to 7, and we are going to be creating a table to find all of the y values for points along this piecewise function. Now, it's really important that you know how to do this because we are going to take this table and then build off of it for our lesson tomorrow. So it's very, very important that you can evaluate a function based on a graph. So here's a table that I want you to copy onto your paper. So we're going all the way from -4 to 7 because that is what encompasses our entire graph. So take a second to do that. And then I'm going to explain to you how I found the points that are already filled in here for you. All right, the first point that we found was -4, -2. Now, the way that you evaluate is you find the x value on your graph. So the x on my graph, it wants -4. So I'm going to go over here to -4. And then I go down to my graph, and the y here is at -2. So that's where this -2 came from. It's the y of my point. So then if I'm going to my next point that I have here on the table, it's 2, -4. So if I go over 2 and I find that point on the function, its y value is here at -4. So we are taking the x-axis, going along the x, and then finding the y that matches to the graph. So for the next one, the x is 5. So I go to 5, go up to my graph. The y value here is 4. So that's how I got the point 5, 4. Now you're going to do this and fill in the rest of the table. You must upload a picture of this table along with equations for each of the 4 parts. Okay, I want you to try to write those equations and we'll talk about them tomorrow. The table is extremely important because you are going to be making adjustments to this function based on the table that you find today.